solve cumulative assessment page 19, cumulative assessment number 15, and lesson 5 unit 3. Question number 1, letter A, the place value of 3 in the number 213,000th is, he asked about the place value of the digit 3 in the number 0.213. 3 here lies in what? In thousandth. Then the place value of these digits here, it will be what? Thousandth. Write this word, thousandth. Okay. Question letter P. Space times 9 equal 900. We know 9 times 100 equal 900. Letter C. 3 times 200 plus 3 times 50 plus 3 times 7 equal 3 multiplication by what? We used here distributive properties. Who can tell me the original number here? Original number, we can find it by add all numbers here. 200 plus 50 plus 7. We use distributive properties. It was what? 257. This number 257. Add 200 plus 50 plus 7. Question letter D. 9.2 subtract by 5 and 184,000th. Letter D. 9.3 subtract by 5 and 184,000th. We can find the difference between them by put double zero behind this number. 0 minus 4, we can't do it. Then you can find the result by borrow 1 from the right here. What? 3 will be 2 and 0 will be 10. Borrow 1 from 10, it will be 9 and 0 will be 10. Borrow 1 from left hand side here. 10 minus 4 equals 6. And here 9 minus 4, 9 minus 8 equal 1. 2 minus 1 equal 1. 9 minus 5 equal 4. The result will be 4 and 116,000th. Okay. It was question letter T. And it was letter E. Here we want to find what? The letter C. This example was letter E. Okay, we have here B, E, D, and the letter here letter C. 120 multiplication by 30. Write double zero here, and 3 times 12 equals 36. Then the result will be 3,600. Question number 2. Use the following area models to write the distribution equation. Okay. What's the meaning of distribution equation? Its meaning, write 5 times the first number here, 100. Look at here, we have the table. I will solve this example, letter A here. Okay, pay attention about steps. Question letter A. We have the table here and divided it 7 parts. Here is 3 parts, 7 here and 20 and 100, and here 500, 135 and 5. We can write number here 5 multiplication 100 plus 20 plus 7 will be 127. And then we can use distributive properties. Write 5 multiplication by 100 plus 20 plus 7. Distributive properties, 5 times 100 plus 5 times 20 plus 5 times 7. And then you can add the result here, 500 plus 100 plus 35. 500, and here 2 times 5 equal 10, and write 0. 5 times 7 equals 35. Then the result will be 500 here plus 100, it will be 600, and we have 35. The result will be 635. Okay, understood? We want to find what? We want to find distribution equation. Use the following area models to write distribution equation. And what about letter P? We have here table. Here 22 and here 30 and 6. He give us the result about 1 was the result here. 20 times 300, 20 times 30 equals 600, 20 times 6 equals 120, 2 times 30 equals 60, 2 times 6 equals 12. You can find the equation here about letter P. We have 30 plus 6, 36, and 20 plus 2 equal 22. Then you can write here 30 times 20 in the first brackets. 30 times 20. And here 6 times 20. Okay. And what? Complete with me. 2 times 30. And here 2 times 6. And then is the result. The result here 600. 6 times 20 equal 120. 2 times 30 equals 60. 2 times 6 equal 12. And then find the sum of all result here. Adding 12 plus 60 plus 120 plus 600. 2 plus 0 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 6 equal 9. 6 plus 1 equals 7. The result will be 792. Question number 3. Choose the correct answer. The value of the digit 4 in the number 98 and 764,005 is 98 and 764,005. You want to find the value of the digit 4 here. The value will be what? Will be 4,005 or 4 over 1000. Okay, choose letter P. Question letter P. The standard form of the number 6,000 and 6,005 is 6,000 and 6,005. The result. Question letter B. Choose letter what? Letter D. The result will be letter D about question letter B. Question letter C. Hani runs 110 minutes every day. What is the number of running minutes in 15 days? Again, Hani runs 110 minutes every day. What is the number of running minutes in 15 days? Hani runs 110 every day. In one day, he runs what? 110 minutes. Okay. What is the number running in 15 days? We can find the total by multiplication. The number of running minutes in 15 days equal what? Equal 110 multiplication by 15. We can write 0 here and 11 times 15. 11 multiplication by 15. 1 times 5 equal 5 and 1 times 5 equal 5 plus 0. 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 1 equal 1. And then we can add two numbers here. 5 plus 0 equal 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6 and write 1. Then we can write here the result will be 1650. 1650. Okay. Question letter C. We must choose letter D. Choose letter D. It's the result. Letter D. Choose letter D here. Okay. Question letter D. Letter D. What is the unknown value in the area of model 21 times 53? In the model area, we have here table, and he write here 21, 50, and 3. We know 20 times 50 equal 1000. 3 times 20 equals 60. 1 times 50 equal 50. 1 times 3 equal 3. Means the unknown number here, it will be what? 60. Choose letter A about question D. Question D, choose letter A. Question E. 700th subtract 7000th. 700th subtract by 7000th. We can find the difference by put 0 behind this number to equal parts. And then 0 minus 7, we can't do it. So you must pull 1 from 7 here. It will be 6 and 0 will be 10. 0 will be 10. 10 minus 7 equals 3. 6 minus 0 equals 6. 0 minus 0 equals 0 and right point and 0. The result here equal 63,000th. 63,000th. Then you can write here 63 behind this word 1000th. Okay. Choose what? Choose letter C about question E. Question E, choose letter C. Next question here, question number 4. Look at the word problems here. A factory produces 4,550 toys every month. Another factory produces 7,350 toys every month. Find the difference between their product in 10 months. You want to find the difference between their product in 10 months. First step, you can find the difference in 1 month, and then the result multiplication by 10 to find the produces in 10 months. Okay, difference between their product, it will be what? We can find the difference by using subtract between the greatest and the smallest. Okay, look at the steps with me here. First, we will find the difference in 1 month. Okay, write with me the difference in 1 month equal what? We can find the difference between two numbers here. The greatest was 7,350 subtract by 4,550. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 3 minus 5, we can't do it. Borrow 1 from 7 will be 6 and 3 will be 13. 13 minus 5 equal 8 and 6 minus 4 equal 2. The result will be 2,800 toys. It's the difference in 1 month. Then we can find in 10 months. In 10 months, the result here, we will find it by multiplication by 10. 2,800 times 10. It will be 28,000 toys. 28,000 toys. Okay. First step, in this example, we find the difference in 1 month, subtract two numbers, the result will be 2,800 toys. And the next step, in 10 months, we can find the number of toys. This will be what? 28,000 by multiplication, 2,800 by 10. The result will be 28,000 toys in 10 months. Question number 5. Samih has 300 pounds to spend on new clothes. He pays 12 pair of socks for 21 pounds each. Okay, what is the left money with Samih now? The left, it's meaning the difference, but we won't find first what is he spent. He spent what? 12 pair. Again, Samih has 300 pounds. We won't find what? The difference. Left, it's meaning the difference. What is the money left? The money go with Samih now. He asked about what? What is the money left with Samih now? So in the first bit about example, first step, we can find what is spent. He spent what? In this example, he tell me he spent 12 pair of socks for 21 pounds. We can find the total. Again, he pays what? 12 pairs of socks for 21 pounds. Then you can find what he spent. I will write he spent equal 21 times 12. Write 12 and 21. Multiplication them. 21 times 12. We can find the multiplication between them to find what he spent. He spent 21 times 12 because he pays 12 pairs of socks for 21 pounds each. This word each, it's meaning the money of each sock equal what? Equal 21 pounds. He pays how many pair? He pays 12 pair. And the money or the pounds of each one equal 21. You can find what he spent. So Samih, he spent 21 times 12. We can find the multiplication between them to find the money Samih was give to spend on new clothes. He spent 21 times 12. 21 times 12. Look at steps here. 2 times 1 equal 2 and 2 times 2 equal 4 plus 0. 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 2 equal 2. 2 plus 0 equal 2. 4 plus 1 equal 5, and then write 2. Then he spent what? He spent 252 pounds. This is the first step. Okay. What is the remainder with him? We can find the left money. Samih has 300 pounds. Then the left money with him will be 300 subtract 350. The difference between them. 0 minus 2, we can't do it. Then we must borrow 1 from 3 here, 2, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 1 equal 9, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 2 equal 8. 9 minus 5 equal 4. And 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then the result will be 48 again. He spent 252 pounds. Then the left money will be 300 subtract 252. Again, this example tell me Samih has what? Samih has 300 pounds. He pays 12 pair of clothes of what? 12 pair of socks for 21 pounds. He pays 12 pair of socks for 21 pounds for each. Then the first step, we won't find what he spent. What is he spent? He spent what? 21 times 12. It will be 252. 252, he spent it. Then the left with him will be what? He have 300 pounds and he spent 252 pounds. Then the left money with him will be 48 pounds. Okay, the result will be what? 48 pounds.